Hello and welcome to this podcast. Are you looking for a way to improve the security of your software development process? Look no further than DevSecOps. In this podcast, we'll explore the concepts of DevSecOps, its benefits and security tools usage, and how it can be implemented in your existing DevOps practices to build a strong security foundation, reduce the risk of breaches, and ultimately deliver better quality products to your customers. What is DevSecOps? DevSecOps is an approach that aims to integrate security into the software development and operations process, commonly known as DevOps. It aims to ensure that development and operations teams can work together seamlessly while ensuring that the applications and systems being developed are secure and compliant. This is achieved by including security testing and validation as an integral part of the software development process. Now let us see the differences between DevOps and DevSecOps. DevOps refers to a method in which the software developers and operational team work together to produce a highly agile and streamlined software development framework. On the other hand, DevSecOps aims to automate every security task by the usage of the security controls and processes into the workflow of DevOps. DevSecOps tends to extend the culture of DevOps of shared responsibility to add security practices. In some of the aspects, DevOps and DevSecOps are found similar, such as automation usage and continuous process to deliver collaborative development lifecycle. However, DevOps tends to prioritize the delivery speed, whereas DevSecOps carry out shifting security left or else moving security to the earliest possible areas in the development process. Now let's see the need for DevSecOps. The need for DevSecOps arises from the fact that the traditional approach to software development often prioritizes speed and efficiency over security. With DevOps, organizations are able to release new features and updates faster than ever before. However, this increased speed of development can lead to security vulnerabilities being overlooked or ignored. DevSecOps addresses this issue by integrating security testing and validation as an integral part of the software development process. By doing so, organizations can identify and address security vulnerabilities early on in the development process, before they make it to production. This allows for the rapid development of software while still ensuring that it is secure and compliant. Additionally, with the increasing amount of data and the complexity of systems used by organizations, there is an ever-growing need for secure software development. DevSecOps approach allows organizations to build a strong security foundation and also to comply with various regulations and standards in a timely manner. Major components of DevSecOps. Organizations need to integrate technical and cultural transit in their approach into the DevSecOps services to find the real-time security threats in an efficient way. DevSecOps approach has 6 major components, and they are collaboration, communication, compliance management, security testing, and security automation. So, how to implement DevSecOps? DevSecOps can be integrated into a single streamlined process by the incorporation of the security at code level itself. It can ensure application and procedure safety at all the phases of the process chain. The 5 prominent features of the DevSecOps, such as mandatory security at every stage, thorough analysis of security, security-related changes at code level, automation of all the processes, continuous monitoring via dashboard and alerts. Now let's see what are the benefits of DevSecOps. Of course, many companies cannot bypass security measures to gain revenue, but that's a gamble that can backfire in a catastrophic manner. And it significantly causes app rollout to be compromised, and it primarily affects company growth. Then there will be a risk of various security issues after the launch of the product, and thus the end users will be dissatisfied by using this product. In order to address the challenges of DevOps security, DevSecOps were introduced. Let's dig in to know the benefits of adopting the DevSecOps. By means of process automation, the rate of occurrences of mistakes and administration failures will be reduced. Better collaboration and communication between the teams. High flexibility in managing the sudden changes during the software development lifecycle. Various significant opportunities for the automated builds and quality assurance testing. Better return on investment, ROI, in the existing security infrastructure of an organization. Due to the increased demand, the number of DevSecOps certifications are becoming famous. They are mainly applied to the DevSecOps jobs such as managers, specialists, DevSecOps engineers, consultants, software developers, IT managers, IT professionals, auditors, and so on. These kinds of certifications can help the professionals to expand their knowledge in DevSecOps and future careers. Let us see what are the skills required to become DevSecOps engineer. The DevSecOps engineers require the technical skills of IT professionals and knowledge on DevOps. They must also require in-depth knowledge of cybersecurity, such as knowing the latest trends and threats. And some of the major skills that are required, such as clear understanding of DevOps principles and culture, strong communication and teamwork skills, good understanding of risk assessment techniques as well as threat modeling, up-to-date information on cybersecurity threats, best practices, working knowledge of DevOps and DevSecOps tools such as Ansible, Chef, Aqua, Puppet, and Kubernetes. Hope this podcast provides key insights of DevSecOps methodology and its key features, working, applications, etc. However, you must be familiar with DevOps before diving into DevSecOps. Finally, DevSecOps is an approach that aims to integrate security into the DevOps process, ensuring that development and operations teams can work together seamlessly while ensuring that the applications and systems being developed are secure and compliant. The DevSecOps approach can lead organizations to build a strong security foundation and also help in achieving compliance regulations in a timely manner. Comment your views about this podcast and stay tuned for the next podcast.